is Dynamed, located within the heart of Durban in Glen Anil. Our state-of-the-art facility boasts leading technology within our industry that makes us the only local manufacturer of IV and other transparent dressings, non-woven overshoes and other medical devices in South Africa. Dynamed has an extensive production line of non-woven disposable products, transparent dressings and other made-to-order products, and can produce up to 60,000 dressings and 40,000 overshoes per day. The Class 5 qualified clean room, which is a controlled environment that has a low level of pollutants such as dust, airborne microbes, aerosol particles and chemical vapors, is currently used to manufacture and refurbish sterile medical devices, but can also be used for packaging and repackaging of medical devices, as well as other scientific experiments that require controlled conditions. We are certified with ISO 13485, demonstrating our commitment to the safety and quality of medical devices we manufacture. We put patient safety at the top. Dynamed offers a turnkey, guaranteed sterilizing solution to all other medical device manufacturers in South Africa using the ethylene oxide sterilization method, one of the few in South Africa that are qualified to offer such a service. We work with various sectors within the healthcare industry by supplying medical professionals with the tools they need to help save lives. From turnkey medical device manufacturing solutions to ethylene oxide sterilization, Dynamed also shows off a pharmaceutical wholesale license. Dispensing doctors, retail pharmacies and healthcare institutions have the opportunity to fulfill their medicinal requirements with us here at Dynamed. Our full catalogue can be found by visiting our website, or you can contact us for a quote on info@dynamed.co.za or 086 1000 043 or 073 686 1483. Dynamed, leaders in locally manufactured medical devices.